Hello everyone. Uh, in this video, I decided to edit it. Okay, so this is because, guys, if I make long videos and uh, it sometimes it creates a lot of noise as well, right? So this noise make feel you this noise can make you bored, right? So I will just reduce the noise, right? So let's share my screen with you guys. So here we will try to make a number guessing game, and uh, the, the problem with creating any project, we actually don't know what we're going to do, right? So I will try to guess the output screen, right? So if I get if we can guess what will be shown in the output screen, then it would be a little bit easier for us to create, right? I already told you guys that I'm not an so expert programmer. I spent a lot of time uh, watching videos, and I mean, I spent a lot of time uh, watching tutorials and this kind of stuffs. But still, I'm not that much confident. So these projects, I'm trying to make some projects, and by practicing these projects and repeating again and again, I'm carrying out an experiment that if it works for me, and if it works for me, then many people in this world are suffering like me, and they'll get some direction, or maybe they'll get some hope. So this is why I'm making this project. And at least for these projects, I'm not showing my face, because long videos, uh, you know it takes a lot of size, right? So it takes time to edit them. Anyway, maybe from the next videos, or maybe some other videos, I will try to show my face as well. So let's not waste time, guys. So what I will do is, welcome to the number guessing game. So this line will be shown in the screen first, right? So if I just copy this line, and so these will be like this line. So we can directly put this line here, welcome to the number guessing game, and then a new line. Okay, backward slash n. Now we have another line. I have chosen a number between 1 and 100. Okay, so can you guess it? So these two lines would be like okay, so we will do like another printf statement. Okay, and if we do like this, in the same line, can you guess it? We can put, can you guess it, in the same line, and then another euro. So let's see how it works. Let's see. Welcome to the number guessing. So we did in the same line. We could do in another statement as well. So we could take this one, and we can make another printf statement, right? So no problem. Then use first guess. Okay, so enter your guess. That means the user will give us something, give us a number, right? So we will have to take uh, a number, like we'll take an input, right? So here we will do like, so another printf statement. Okay, guys, so I'm not sure if I can make properly make it, but I will try my best. If I can't, then you will see why I can't couldn't do finish the project, and what mistakes I did. And if you can, uh, you finish the project and let me know, right? And if I can't, finally I will ask ChatGPT to give my code, and I will try to analyze the code, right? Okay, so we will have to take a scanf. Okay, so that means the user will give me the input, right? So let me say guess. Okay, so we will have to declare a variable here. Okay, because we are taking a number. So another thing is we will imagine a number, fix a number first, right? Like number, number is, let's say 78 or something. Okay, so this number, we I just chose this number, and this guess is being taken in as an input from the user, right? So we did so far. So I don't know how it will look now. Okay, so enter your guess. So what we can do is not a new line here. So we don't need a, okay, so here he will give you input, right? So after taking input, so we will see the if the number he give input is equals to this one. Okay, so if it's less than this number, we will say uh, your number is less than my number. So somehow we will give him the hint, right? Okay, so what we can do, if we can set some other conditions as well, like if number is less than 0, or number is greater than 100. Okay, so if this is the case, if number is less than 0, number is greater than 100, we will we will say to the user that uh, you have to. Okay, so we just told him about this 100, but we don't need to give this kind of condition. But uh, let's try to give. Okay, so if you have to pick a number between 1 and 100. If it's less than 0 or greater than 100, we will say this. Else we will I mean, do the main thing now. Okay, okay, so in the else condition, we will see like if number is less than uh, okay, no, not this number. Okay, sorry, these will not be number, it will be guess. I'm sorry, guys. This is the mistake we do when we make program. Okay, so if number is less than uh, guess is less than number, guess is less than number, then we will print you have to increase it. Okay, so and uh, okay, so you guessed less than my number. Well, let's just put in this way, right? uh, so uh, the user will think that he has to increase his number. Else if uh, guess is greater than number, then we will say like You guessed greater than my number. Greater than my number. Okay. And so if it's not less or not greater, so that means this is equal to my number, right? So we don't need to say anything else. In this else statement, we will say like uh, correct. You guessed it right. Okay. So maybe our code will work. So enter your guess. So if we give -1, then you have to pick a number between 1 and 100, right? So if we pick like 200, then it will, you have to pick a number between 100. Okay, so let's imagine in our guess, if you give 50, then you guessed less than my number. Okay, so he has to try it again. He has to run this again. So this is the problem we are facing now. But we just created it. Let me, ChatGPT will give us more accurate code, right? So if we'll give like 80, you guessed greater than my number, right? So if he runs again and enter your guess, right? So enter your guess. Then if you write 78, correct, you guessed it right. So we just created it, but there is another problem that he has to run this code again and again. So uh, for now, I have to think, or you have to think, how we can make in a way that we can continue, right? So we have to think about that, or we have to ask ChatGPT to make this kind of. So even though I took help from ChatGPT, uh, I feel little bit proud that I I could make this project. So uh, whatever you try to make, guys, you should have an idea that how will the interface will look. Okay, so thinking about the output first, how it will look, and making an imagination is really necessary. So I never realized it, guys. So uh, this morning I was just thinking how I can just uh, master these things, or how I can just be good at programming. So I decided to try in this way. So I made this video. So apologize my weak English, guys, and I I mumble a lot of time because uh, you know I'm not that much good speaker, or I can't speak like AI. I mean machines, right? So some people are really good at speaking, and they can just make good, I mean good impression with their speaking style, or they're making they're making videos of good quality. So anyway, thank you for watching this, guys. See you in the next video.